Hello, everyone. My name is Andy. I am an education major at Arizona State University, and today I'm making videos on the network mathematics, and the topic will be factoring polynomials. So when you have an expression like this, uh, for x squared plus 8x and plus 12, the first thing you must think is to factor them. And you want to make the equation as simple as possible. So what you do is just to factoring them. So there will be three type of expression that you encounter in this lecture. So the first type is gonna be ax squared plus bx plus c, and this second is kind of like adding another x and be like ax squared plus bx and plus c, and a is not 1. And third is gonna be just the ax plus c. So a, b, c's are all real numbers. And let's get started as the first example here. So if we have, so first we're gonna be x squared plus 6s plus 8. So what you try to do is to like the coefficient of a, it is 1, and the b is going to be 6 and c is going to be 8. So what we want to do is to make like an x, just like the x shape, like the layout. So the upper corners, I call them a, b, c, they're only for one, so I call them d, h, k, and m. They're all four numbers, and you want them like, so in case it's a equals to 1, b equals to 6, and c equals to 8. So what you want to make sure it is the product of d and m plus h and k, it is equal to coefficient of b. So you want to make sure that dm plus hk is equal to b. And dh, the product of dh, it is equal to 8. And the product for k and m, they are equal to c. So when we see 8, you start with the coefficient of c first. So in pair of 8, you have 1 and 8 and 2 and 4. And we're going to be negative 8 and negative 1. And then I got negative, negative 1, I got negative 2, negative 4. So, and out of these four possibilities, you want to think which of the pairs adding together it is positive 6, and their product it is 8. So those work. And how to factor is when writing a form of x plus k and an x plus m. So k will be one of the number, m will be another number. So in this case, x squared plus 6x and plus 8, it is x, it is x plus 2 and x plus 4. That will be your final answer of this question. Now let's try another one. Um, so you have the 27 is the C. So you wanted to make sure you start with the 27. You have 1 and 27 and 3 and 9. Now you have B, this is going to be negative 6. B equals negative 6. Start with this again. 1 and the 1. And you want to make sure that those two numbers, they added up. It is negative. Uh, sorry, made a typo. It could be maybe negative 20. It should be negative 27, not positive. So you want to make sure that they added up. It is negative 6, but their product is a negative 27. So one of them must be negative. 9 plus negative 3, it is positive 6. And 3 plus negative 9, it is negative 6. So we had negative 9 and 3. Now we have going to be x minus 9, then x plus 3. That is your final answer of this equation. Some people may ask, is let's try another one. So it's like it is possible to have three answers to the one polynomial expression. Yes, because if you have a power x to the n and be greater than 2. So we have like x3 minus 4x. This is, and we factor the x out, we can get like x squared minus 4. And this is like x plus 2, x minus 2. They have three answers. So let's try the third example here. X squared plus 14x plus 45. So let's start like what the pairs up equal to 45. 1 and 45, 3 and 15, 5 equal to 9. I think those are like all like the coefficient and multiplies. You want to think which of the pairs add up to get 14. 1 plus 45 is 46. No. And 3 plus 15 it is 18. No. 5 plus 9 equals to 14. It is. And we get is x plus 5 and x plus 9. Nice and simple. Let's try like harder ones. So we have something like an x squared. Uh, if you have something like x cubic plus 8x squared and plus 15x. So you all have the factor of x because it's hard to solve like a harder order polynomial without being factored. Factor is the first step to make it easy. So the all of x they don't have like all like the and they don't all have like the con- outcome multiplier. So you factor the x out of the thing, we have x squared plus 8x plus 15. We start with 15 and 8. We have 3 and the 5. So 3 plus 5, it is 8. And 3 times 5, it is 15. So you can further being factor of x plus 3 and x plus 5. Yeah, so that is all the step for factoring the polynomials. So one trick it is always to make sure your number adding together and the multiply they're matching the b and the c's. And if you get a messy number while the equation is not hard, you might have something wrong. And how to check your answer it is you put back in those answers, see if they equal to a zero. If it do not equal to a zero, they did something wrong. Thank you for watching and hope you have a wonderful day and see you next week.